10 lines on Mahatma Gandhi. Set 1. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putli Bai. Gandhiji, also known as Bapu and father of the nation. He was a prominent political and spiritual leader of India and the Indian independence movement. He always followed truth and non-violence. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. He did many works like non-cooperation movement and Dandi March so that the country could be liberated. Gandhiji's birthday is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Set 2. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October in a Hindu family at Porbandar, Gujarat. His father was Diwan of Porbandar. He was married Kasturbai Makhanji Kapadia in May 1883. On 4th September 1888, he left for London for higher studies. He fights against color discrimination and became a civil rights activist in South Africa from 1893 to 1914. He returned to India in 1915 and joined the Indian National Congress. Gandhiji started the first movement against British rule, Champaran Satyagraha, in 1917. He also launched the non-cooperation movement on 1st August 1920 after Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He started Salt Dandi March on 12th March 1930 and continued till 6th April 1930. On 30 January 1948, he was killed by Nathu Ram Godse at Birla House, New Delhi. Set 3. Mahatma Gandhi was the leader of the Indian independence movement against British rule. He inspired civil rights and freedom movement across the world. The title Mahatma was given to him in South Africa in 1940. In India, Mahatma Gandhi was fondly called Bapu and Gandhiji. He was a great follower of peace and non-violence. He studied law from University of London and became a barrister. He started many important movements like Civil Rights Movement, Quit India Movement, Dandi March, etc. He gave many popular slogans like Do or Die and Angrezo Bharat Chodo. Mahatma Gandhi undertook his last fast on 12th January 1948 at the age of 78. He was the true freedom fighter of India.